Get ready, ElectroDrive news followers. We've got a high-octane update that's going to blow your minds. First up, disaster strikes at the Changchun Air Show, where Xpeng Aeroht's flying cars collide in a fiery mid-air incident. Then, we dive into the growing safety concerns for the entire eVTOL industry, as real-world risks become all too apparent. Next, we're breaking down exactly what happened and why it matters for the future of personal flight. And finally, we'll reveal a shocking development from news group newspapers that could impact how we get our news. You don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Chaos in the skies. A mid-air collision between two Xpeng Aeroht flying cars at the Changchun Air Show rehearsal has sent shockwaves through the aviation world. The dramatic incident saw one eVTOL burst into flames after crashing, raising immediate questions about the safety of this cutting-edge technology. Xpeng Aeroht confirmed the collision occurred due to insufficient spacing during a formation flight rehearsal on September 16th, ahead of the official air show start. While the company assures no personnel were injured and the situation was handled orderly, the visual of a burning aircraft is a stark reminder of the risks involved. This incident directly impacts the burgeoning eVTOL industry, casting a shadow over the dreams of seamless urban air mobility. Public reaction online has been a mix of concern and fascination, with many eagerly awaiting further details on the investigation. Don't go anywhere, because the implications of this crash are even bigger than you think. Plus, we've got a critical update that could change how you access news. The future of flight is facing serious turbulence after two Xpeng Aeroht flying cars collided midair during a demonstration rehearsal at the Changchun Air Show. This fiery crash, captured in dramatic footage, has ignited widespread safety concerns for the entire eVTOL and urban air mobility industry. Xpeng Aeroht confirmed that one of their electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles sustained significant fuselage damage and caught fire upon impact with the ground, though they reported no injuries. However, conflicting reports suggest one pilot may have been injured, adding another layer of concern. The incident occurred due to insufficient spacing during a formation flight, highlighting the complex challenges of real-world eVTOL operations. The $300,000 price tag on these futuristic vehicles now comes with a very visible asterisk of risk, intensifying scrutiny from regulators, industry experts, and the public alike. But this isn't the only story making waves. We're about to uncover a critical development that could affect your access to vital information. A spectacular rehearsal turned into a fiery mishap as two Xpeng Aeroht flying cars collided midair during the Changchun Air Show practice. One of the electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles crashed and caught fire, while the other managed a safe landing. While Xpeng Aeroht cited insufficient spacing as the cause and reported no injuries, the incident has reignited the age-old debate about the practicality and safety of flying cars. Humanity has dreamed of personal aerial transport for decades, but the path to mainstream adoption is fraught with technical, regulatory, and human error challenges. This crash serves as a potent reminder that the dream of flying cars, often touted as just 2 years away, still faces significant hurdles, echoing past promises and disappointments from industry giants like Elon Musk. The public's fascination with flying cars is undeniable, but this incident underscores the need for rigorous safety protocols and realistic timelines. Stay tuned, because the implications of this aerial incident go far beyond a single air show. And we've got a crucial announcement that might change how you get your news. A stark warning has been issued by news group newspapers, potentially impacting how we all consume news online. Their system flagged user behavior as potentially automated, leading to a restriction on access, collection, and text or data mining of content. This move, outlined in their terms and conditions, specifically mentions prohibitions against automated means for AI, machine learning, or LLMs. For any commercial inquiries regarding content usage, News Group Newspapers directs interested parties to contact Permission at News Co. UK. This development raises significant questions about data access and the future of content utilization in the digital age, especially for platforms that rely on comprehensive information gathering. The message is clear. Automated access is strictly prohibited, and legitimate users experiencing issues are advised to contact their customer support. And that's not all the electrifying news we have for you today. Stick around for a rapid-fire recap and our call to action. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying news. We saw Xpeng Aeroht's flying cars collide in a fiery incident at the Changchun Air Show, sparking major safety concerns for the eVTOL industry. We also uncovered a critical announcement from News Group newspapers regarding automated data access. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all the latest updates, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content.